6 feet. That's the cutting length of Dahle's 472 Premium Rolling Trimmer. It provides all the benefits you'd expect from our Premium series, with an optimal 72-inch cutting length. But this isn't your average paper trimmer. It's a German-engineered commercial-grade tool with the ability to cleanly cut oversized banners, mat board, and fine art paper with the highest level of accuracy. Of course, the sharper the blade, the easier it is to cut. Dahle's 472 features a ground rotary blade and a self-sharpening cutting system that cuts and sharpens in either direction. This action maintains the blade's precision graduated edge, allowing it to remove even the tiniest sliver of paper and produce a clean, burr-free cut each and every time. As with all Dahle products, safety is at the forefront of design, and this trimmer is no exception. To keep hands in the safe zone, the trimmer's blade is almost entirely protected, which virtually eliminates the chance of injury. Holding your work securely is no longer a necessity. The integrated automatic clamping system provides even pressure and prevents your work from shifting. For durability, the 472 features a sturdy metal base designed to provide a solid foundation for rigorous use day in and day out. For measuring, this base contains carefully screened guides and an adjustable backstop, which is the easiest way to ensure consistent accuracy during repetitive cutting. With 72 inches of cutting length, Dahle's 472 Premium Rolling Trimmer provides the perfect solution for all your large format trimming. Dahle Rolling Trimmers, exceeding even the most serious demands for accuracy.